Bless you.
Hello 300 fans, once again. My name is Clayton Schrock, and I hope you stick around for this entire episode, because this could very well pertain to you. Spring has once again broken through the tight, cold grasp of winter, and we all know what comes with it. Something's in the air, but it's not exactly love. Unless love makes your skin dry, your eyes itchy and bloodshot, and mucus run profusely down your face as you sneeze uncontrollably. Sure, we've all had a bad crush or two, but what I'm really talking about today is allergies and the pollen that causes them. A thermoscientific article defines allergies as a malfunction of the immune system that causes reactions to a normally harmless substance called allergens. Now, allergens can be all kinds of things, including types of foods, medicines, or insect bites.
Dino DNA.
Today, we'll be focusing on seasonal allergies triggered by pollen from plants. I guess, in a way, we really are talking about love in the air. Pollen is used by plants to spread their genes and fertilize the ovulae of other plants. One easy way to think about this is to compare it to the human reproductive system. Except instead of building a romantic relationship with a partner, they do it the old-fashioned way. They use wind, insects, and animals to spread their seed for them. There are two types of pollen, but only one really affects allergies. There's entomophilous pollen and anemophilous pollen. Anemophilous pollen is the one that we're concerned with. One of the most common plants that uses anemophilous pollen is grass. These pollen particles are incredibly small and get carried by the wind. This is where you come in. You may go outside and try to enjoy a lovely spring day when it hits you. Or, if you're like me, you simply just wake up and you already feel this immense attack that this plant love potion has put on your body. These allergens all enter your lungs just from you breathing. So there really is no escape. Now, no one is perfect. Our bodies can have little imperfections. Allergies are just a way of our bodies showing us how confused they can get sometimes. When the pollen enters your lungs, your immune system gets a little spooked. Your immune system then sends signals to something called mast cells. These mast cells can be located all over your body, like in your skin, lungs, nose, mouth, and blood. Mast cells are tissue cells from your immune system that control inflammatory responses. They then release antibodies and a chemical called histamine. If this sounds familiar, it's because most allergy medicines have something called antihistamines. The histamine's job is to rid your body of anything it determines as a threat, and that pollen is at the top of the list. Histamine will increase blood flow, causing inflammation and itching in certain areas. Histamine will also cause your cell membranes in your nose to produce more mucus. This, of course, leads to a runny nose, sneezing, or coughing. Itchy eyes are caused by the release of histamine in the surrounding tissue. And yes, itching your eyes does not help. I know, it's hard for you to hear that. There's nothing more annoyingly satisfying than rubbing your eyes during peak allergy season. But in the end, itching will only make things worse. In short, seasonal allergies is your immune system's gross overreaction to harmless pollen particles entering your body. In the spring, the biggest creator of allergens tends to be trees. In the summer, it's typically grass, and in the fall, it's weeds. Most people only experience extreme seasonal allergies in the spring, but some people have them year-round. Scientists are still unsure on why people develop certain allergies. People can develop allergies to pollen, dust, food, or insect bites all throughout their life. This means something you may not have been allergic to as a kid could still cause you to have an allergic reaction when you're older. As the seasons come and go, so does this episode. Once again, my name's Clayton Schrock, and that was 300 Seconds of Science. If you have any horrific experiences with allergies, or topic suggestions for future episodes, be sure to let us know by leaving a comment. You can also like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, give us a heart on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, all at ZTV 300 Seconds of Science. And since there really is no hiding from pollen, you might as well go out, enjoy life, and stay curious.
This program was produced by ZTV at the University of Akron. Do you want to gain experience in video production, professional social media, or working with real clients? Visit the UA School of Communications online or follow us on social media to learn more. ZTV, make media, make a difference.